my loving countrymen. नमस्कार, अभिनंदन, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. Once again, Naturopath Kaushal at your service with a different angle of life. We always listen so many things from people. People say you do meditation, you do this, you do this, you do that, but we keep ignoring. But there is need of meditation in our life if we look into it from the medical point of view. Why the meditation is very, very important for human being. What's importance of meditation? Please listen carefully. It's very, very important, and if you listen it, it's going to be miraculous, resultful in life. So, guys, from the time of our birth till death, the heart works continuously. Every day, our heart pumps about 7,000 liters of blood, out of which 70% blood is pumped to the brain and the remaining 30% to the rest of the body. The blood is pumped through veins and arteries, which are about more than 70,000 kilometers long. The strength required to pump the blood up to 40 feet high and weight of 1 ton is generated by the heart every day throughout its work. That's why people suggest to take care of your heart. We do take rest when we are tired. But remember, if the heart takes rest for 4 to 5 minutes, then what will happen? We will have to rest forever. Please do take care of your heart. Now, important thing, how does the heart work so efficiently and effectively? Heart works effectively because it follows a discipline which most of the people don't. In normal conditions, the heart takes 0.3 seconds to contract systole and 0.5 seconds to relax diastole. So, 0.3 plus 0.5 is equal to 0.8 seconds are required by the heart to complete one beat. That's called one cardiac cycle. That means in 1 minute the heart beats 72 times, which is considered as a normal heartbeat. During the relaxing phase of 0.5 seconds, the impure blood travels throughout the lungs and becomes 100% pure. In some stressful conditions, the body demands more blood in less time, and in this situation, the heart reduces the relaxing period of 0.5 seconds to 0.4 seconds. Thus, in the case the heartbeats goes 82 times in a minute and only 80% of blood gets purified. On more and more demand, the relaxing time is further reduced to 0.3 seconds. Then only 60% of blood is purified. Thus, 20 to 40% of impure blood is pumped in the veins and arteries. These impure components like cholesterol or lipid gets deposited on the walls of arteries and veins, and thus the elastic nature of the veins and the arteries is lost. So they become almost plastic in nature. After some time, due to these conditions, the veins and arteries become rigid. Now, if a blood clot travels through the veins, arteries, which is in normal condition, gets easily passed due to the elastic nature earlier, gets blocked and reduces blood flow in that area. So, my dear friends, please do take care of your heart, because if you do not take care of heart, then you will be in a very bad condition. But may I request all of you to just subscribe my channel, and if you like this, then please like, comment, share, and don't forget to press bell icon. I am sure you will be very happy to listen the basic need of our body. What should we do? What should we not? And with this, from Naturopath Kaushal, Namaskar, Aabhar, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.